Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 9 and 10, English grammar, chapter 2, and topic is tenses. Its exercise I will discuss. Tenses have three parts: present, past, and future forms. So here today I will discuss about present tense. And here exercises we have to do, and I have to review here the tenses. In present tense, bhar, is, am, are, have, has, have, do, does. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. These are the four types of tenses, forms of present tense, and we use according to its time. So as I have discussed previously, so if you are going through seriously and studying well, and I hope that you can understand whatever the question you face, and you have to do labor hard, and then you will understand very well. I think so. So in this for existing the present, page number you can find 75. 75, and exercise is there in 78. Page number 78, exercise number 1. You can discuss about its exercise. It's okay. So let me discuss here. The exercise number 1. Rewrite these sentences using the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Simple present tense. Just like simple present tense, just like I go, he goes, I don't go, he doesn't go. This is refers to do, does, go, and goes. You know this idea in present simple tense. Okay. So now, students, let's start. Question number 1. The earth is almost round. Yet the earth B, it is in the bracket B, means the earth is almost round. It revolves, R-E-V-O-L-V-E-S, revolves around the sun, and rotate, R-O-T-A-T-S, rotates, R-O-T-A-T-E-S, rotates on its own axis. Okay. Number 2, my father usually leave, simple present tense, he leaves, L-E-V-E-S, leaves, for work around 10 a.m. and not return means doesn't return till 8 p.m. Once again, my father usually leaves for work around 10 a.m. and doesn't return till 8 p.m. Question number 3. If she get angry, here get will be gets, G-E-T-S, gets. If she gets angry, she not shout means she does not shout at anybody. She withdraw means here bracket withdraws, W-I-T-H-D-R-A-W, withdraws. She withdraws into her room and listen, L-I-S-T, and listen. In simple present tense, listens, L-I-S-T-E-N-S, listens to some good music. Once again, answer. If she gets angry, she does not shout at anybody. She withdraws into her room and listens to some good music. That is question number 3. Now let's discuss question number 4. It not matter. It not matter means it does not matter. It does not matter what my other friends think. Friends plural, that's why think. Other friends think of my poems. Tell me whether you like them. Tell me, tell me, मुझे बताइए. Whether you means always like, no, you likes, you like them. Question number 5. There be a famous proverb in English. Be here is. There is a famous proverb in English. A rolling stone gather no moss means rolling stone gathers 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 no moss. It mean bracket means it means MEANS. It means that if a person keep bracket keeps changing jobs, he does not make much progress in life. Once again, there is a famous proverb in English: a rolling stone gathers no moss. It means that if a person keeps changing jobs, he does not make much progress in life. It's okay. Question number 6. You know Raghav. You know bracket means do you know Raghav? Do you know Raghav? Question number then yes, I know him well, but I do not meet him often. Yes. Do you know Raghav? Yes, I know him well, but I do not meet him often. Question number 7. Bracket you believe. Okay, you believe in ghosts. In interrogative, simple interrogative. Do you believe in ghosts? Then here, no, I not. Do means I do not do. My little sister do bracket hai does. My little sister does. And our entire family makes, entire family is collective noun singular, okay, makes fun of her. पूरे परिवार के लोग उसके ऊपर हंसी मजाक उड़ाते हैं. So it's clear once again. Do you believe in ghosts? No, I do not do. My little sister does, and our entire family makes fun of her. Or you can say no, I don't. I not do means I don't. You can say I don't also. But I don't believe in full form. My little sister does, our entire family makes fun of her. Question number 8. The Japanese not have land to make big garden, but they not waste their land. They make a small garden wherever they find a small patch of land. Now answer is the Japanese do not have means do not have land to make a big garden, but they do not waste their land. They make a small garden wherever they find a small patch of land. Question number 9. You take exercise regularly. You have to write, do you take exercise regularly? You take means do you take exercise regularly? Exercise means releases certain chemicals which helps to lift our mood. But not take means but don't take exercise which you don't enjoy. Not enjoy means don't enjoy. You don't enjoy. Once again answer. Do you take exercise regularly? Exercise releases certain chemicals which helps to lift our mood, but don't take exercise which you don't enjoy. Question number 10. How many staff members attend these meetings? Very simple. Attend रहेगा. How many staff members attend these meetings? It all depends over. It all depends. Singular depends on the seriousness of the issue. Sometimes I do not even call. Do not even call means do not even call a meeting. I consult. Simple. I consult the department heads and take a decision. So once again I answer. How many staff members attend these meetings? It all depends on the seriousness of the issue. Sometimes I do not even call a meeting. I consult the department heads and take a decision. So students, in this exercise 1, I think you have understood all the matter. Do you understand, student? Exercise number 2. Let's discuss simple present tense. Exercise number 2. Let's discuss here. I have said, rewrite the following passage using the simple present tense or the verb given in the brackets. You know that you spend about 1/3 of your life sleeping. Means you know that you spend. इसमें कोई changes नहीं है. About 1/3 of your life sleeping. However, your body not means does not waste the sleeping time. It has a lot to do when you are sleeping. Now, next paragraph, you consume रहेगा. You consume a lot of energy during the day. The body produces energy at night so that you have plenty of energy that the next morning. Hormones, which is being bracketed is special growth chemicals, helps the body to repair itself and grow. Next paragraph, your brain too remains busy when you are asleep. It sends messages to make sure that you breathe, no changes, okay? And your heart beats regularly during the sleeping hours. In the morning, a part of your brain sends out a wake-up call and you get off. Next paragraph. The amount of sleep you need depends upon your age. The amount of sleep you need depends upon your age. An adult doesn't need as much sleep as a child does. जैसे बच्चा सोता है बड़े लोग को इतना लंबे समय तक सोना नहीं है. ठीक है. Those people who does not get, now those people who do not get, those people means plural, who do not get sufficient sleep at night suffers from a disease called insomnia. Yes, what is the disease name? Insomnia. People suffering from insomnia loses their concentration and gets muddled off. So this is exercise number 2. I think I have discussed and you have understood, and you can open the page number 82, page number 82, exercise number 3. we shall discuss. Okay student, rewrite the following sentences using the correct tense, simple present or present continuous of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, simple present just like I go, present continuous I am going. Usually Bunty takes care of these plants. इस प्लांट का देखभाल करती है, takes care. Eat, trim and water them today. Sorry, I am trimming and watering them today because Bunty is preparing for an important test. Okay. Number 2. You understand means do you understand what the speaker says? What the speaker says? जो वक्ता क्या बोल रहा है, क्या समझते हो? He is speaking in a foreign language which I do not know. Question number 3. Father not work means father does not work on Sundays. He goes to church, writes emails to his friends and listens to some good music. Today he is not feeling well, so he is sleeping. Okay, today he not well means he is not feeling well, so he sleep means he is sleeping. Question number 4. A person who argues feels he knows everything. He not think means he does not think, he needs more knowledge. Wise people not like means do not like to give advice to such a person. ज्ञानी लोग ऐसे लोगों को उपदेश नहीं देते हैं. Number 5. Your father looks tired. He not keep well means he is not keeping well. He is not keeping well. वो उनका सेहत अच्छा नहीं है. I not know means I do not know. Father not share his feelings with anyone means father is not sharing his feelings with anyone. However, he sees his doctor in the evening. Okay, question number 6. They have a meeting inside. Means they are having a meeting inside. अंदर में एक मीटिंग हो रहा है. What they discuss means what are they discussing? Why you not find out when they propose to come out? Why don't you find out when they propose to come out? Yes. Question number 7. The clouds get thick by the moment means here the clouds are getting thick by the moment. इस समय बादल पूरा घना होते जा रहा है. And the sky is getting dark. Still the fishermen want no changes to put their boats to sea. Their waves persuade no changes them not to go, but nobody is listening to them. Question number 8. It be past midnight means it is past midnight. We means it is. I go means I am going to the airport to see my friend Ankit off. He means he is leaving for Berlin. His flight takes off at 6 tomorrow morning. His flight takes. What they say about this performance of mine? What they say about this performance of mine? Not matter means is doesn't matter to me. Mine doesn't matter to me. They criticize me. They criticize me all the time. The fact is that, fact B, that means fact is that they do not like me personally. Once again, what they say about this performance of mine is not matter to me. Does not mean is not matter. कोई विषय नहीं है. They criticize me all the time. The fact is that they do not like me personally. 10 number, last one. We have our lunch early because we have to go for our rehearsal. The correct one is we are having our lunch early because we are having to go for our rehearsal. Okay, tomorrow evening we stage Shakespeare's Othello in the school auditorium. Our English teacher, Mrs. Roy, is directing the play. Is directing. Direct means is directing the play. So students, in this way, exercise number 3 I have discussed. Page number 82. I hope whatever I discussed that you have understood. Students, let's see one of the article that we discuss here. Write an article on snack. Charming dialogue in about 120 words for magazine section of NIE. NIE means newspaper in education. Okay, in the Times of India. That will be the heading Snack Charming, a dying art by Samima. So this is the heading, and let's start. Snakes are dangerous and aggressive beings. Hinduism considers snakes sacred owing to their closeness to Lord Shiva. Naga Panchami, a festival dedicated to snakes, is celebrated through India. Okay, it is the beginning of article, and I have to change the paragraph and we have to write. The iconic of snack charming has its roots in India. Ancient times, snake charmers were considered holy men who would cure snake bites or rid of a house of serpents. Snake charmers came to hypnotize snakes with their only, or largely. Snacks are hard or fuel and just mirror the movements of the movie. So this is a paragraph and we said like last paragraph. Today snack charging is in danger of dying out in 1972 law gains ownership options. Animal rights. Accuse. Endangered species also. Rare practices. Hands and swing of the snakes mouth. The government needs to take stringent stringent action to preserve these ancient yoga. So students, in this way we have to write this article, and I hope you have discussed English tenses part 1, that is the present tense I discussed, and I will discuss past also in future coming days. And one of the article I write, and you practice it, and hope you will be getting successful in your life. Meet you once again in the next period. Have a good day and goodbye.